Boomerango. We're going, guys.
To the slide time. Woo! 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 Woo!
Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. And in this video, it's my 15th birthday today. I mean, it's not my 15th birthday today, but that's on July 10th. It is a few days from now it is. But today is just the birthday party. It's like the birthday trip for me and Cole and Stryder. Right now we're at Cole's house. We're gonna pick him up, and then next we're gonna pick up Stryder. So then, yeah, we can be able to go to Bingemans. So let's get going. Woo! Hey guys, are you guys excited to go to Bingemans and Big Splash in Kitchener? Yeah! Woo! Alright guys, we're here at Bingemans. Woo! Are you guys excited? Woo! Cole, you excited?
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah, we're gonna go to Big Splash, we're gonna go to FunWorx, we're gonna do lots of the things. Woo! Yeah, this is just like the factory in London, but it's more smaller. Alright guys, we're gonna go into the lazy river! Woo! Go down to Boomerango. We're going, guys! View, guys. I love that view. This is the best birthday ever! Woo! Alright guys, that was a lot of fun going to that water park. And right now we're gonna do some more things. We're basically gonna do some more things at Bingemans. Guys, I'm gonna show you guys what's in here. But this is bowling, guys. This is like a bowling alley. I love this. It's cool. This is basically just the bowling. This is bowling. Hey guys, right now we are gonna be playing.
To the slide time. Woo! 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 YouTube, it's Stryder going first. And now it's me.